Imagine cloning a voice with just 3 seconds of audio or adding anger or happiness using emojis. That's what Noiz AI promises. I spent hours testing their V2 Emotion Pro model, comparing plans, and checking real user feedback. Here's my complete review and tutorial. Noiz AI is an AI text-to-speech platform that focuses on emotional, natural-sounding voices with features like voice cloning from just 3 seconds of audio, voice design using text or images. On their website, they showcase 2 main models: V1 Basic, which delivers stable and realistic speech with natural breaths and pauses, and V2 Emotion Pro, which adds fine-grained emotional control using emojis. For example, typing "Fredag 7" before your text to make the AI sound truly angry. Noiz AI offers 4 plans with a 25% discount if you pay yearly. The free plan gives you 2,000 bonus credits daily, but only 100,000 monthly credits and very limited creation capabilities. Voice cloning just 3 times per month. Voice design 3 times, and sound design 10 times, with a strict 1,000 character limit per generation. The Lite plan costs $4.50 per month when billed yearly, or $6 monthly, and includes the same 1,000 character limit but raises monthly credits to 100,000, plus 2,000 daily bonus credits, with voice cloning increased to 5 times, voice design 5 times, and sound design 20 times per month. The Pro plan is marked as most popular at $14.25 per month on yearly billing 19-month, offering 300,000 monthly credits plus 2,000 daily bonus credits, ups the character limit to 10,000 per generation, gives you priority queue for TTS and video dubbing, watermark-free video exports, and much higher caps: 50 voice clones, 50 voice designs, and 100 sound designs per month. Finally, the Ultra plan at $37.50 per month yearly, $60 monthly, provides a massive 1,000 monthly credits plus the same 2,000 daily bonus credits, a 20,000 character limit per generation, gives you priority queue, watermark-free exports, and the highest usage allowances, 200 voice clones, 200 voice designs, and 500 sound designs per month. Thanks for video and see you later.